Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to cook gatang shrimp or gatang sugpo in Tagalog. So, it's simple recipe and it's a quick cook also. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. So, let's watch guys. Ayan guys, yung shrimp. So, sobrang laki niya guys kasi itong bowl na to malaki. So, actually, halos din na magkasya yung 3 shrimp, diba? So, ito yung mga ingredients niya. Simple ginger, onion. Of course, we have to put magic syrup or it's up to you seasoning and powder pepper. Lagyan natin ng onting eggplant and of course, the pechay. Napaka-fresh. And here. And yung ating gata. At ito yung ating gata, guys. Ayan. So, American Classic. Ayan. So, sa inkan na lang ako. Ayan guys, simulan na natin na napakasimpleng gatang sugpo. Ayan, napaka-low heat lang. Make sure guys, low heat lang. Gagamit tayo ng olive oil. So, extra virgin olive oil. So, ayan. Ayan. So, unti lang guys. Yung iba kasi hindi na nila ginigisa. Ako guys, igigisa ko siya ng olive oil or it's up to you guys kung cooking oil. Then, lagay natin si ginger. Unahin natin si ginger kasi para makita natin yung dapat mag golden brown to. Ayan. So, ayan. Gisa-gisa lang yan guys. So, pagkatapos ng ginger, so next to onion. Ayan, continuously lang yan. Sitay-sitay lang yan, guys. Para ganun siya kasimple. Ganun lang kasimple, guys, yung gatang shrimp. Wala siyang masyadong effort. Ayan, pwede naman yung shrimp na maliliit din, nasa sa inyo. So, yan, medyo golden brown na siya. So, ilalagay natin yung shrimp. Ito yung shrimp natin, di ba, napakalaki, guys, no? Hindi kasya yung bowl ko naman. Malaki po itong bowl ko to. So, ilalagay natin to kung saan tayo nagigisa. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Ayan. Simple. Ayan. So, halos isang malaking kawali siya guys. So, dapat magpiraso lang yan. May kamahalan, pero at the same time sulit naman. So, i-ano natin siya agad. I-lift natin siya, reverse natin. Ay, baligtad rin, di ba? To see the colors of the shrimp, di ba? Ayan. So, while you're doing that one, so you have to little bit put of the magic or seasoning, any seasoning that you want to put it. So, half lang to guys. Ayan, hindi ako, ayan. Then, in a little bit of the powder pepper. Ayan. Para mag-explore na yung ano niya. Yung lasa ng seasoning. And then, after this, you have to put the gata. So, simple lang guys. Ayan. So, si gata. As you can see, diba? Wow, sarap. Simple gata. Diba? Wala masyadong effort. See guys. Diba? Sarap. Ang bango. Napaka-bango nyo guys. Smell good. Okay. While putting that one, putting the coconut oil, coconut milk. Ayan. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan. Para yung flavor na nilagay natin ng is mag-explore doon. So, isasabay natin yung eggplant and lagyan muna natin siyang a pinch of salt. Ayan. A pinch of salt lang yan, guys. Ayan. So, unti lang. Yung iba, pwede lagyan nila ng patis. Ayan. Then, ang mangyayari nito, guys, isasabay ko yung eggplant natin. So, as you can see, ayan. So, para yung, kasi, ang shrimp kasi, guys, hindi naman natin kailangan ng, dali lang, maluto. So, isabay natin si talong. As you can see, diba? As you can see, talong. Isasabay na natin siya. Then, we have to cover. Guguguran ko pa ng powder pepper. Ako this powder pepper. Ayan. Then, lagay natin si chili. Ayan. Then, takpan natin yan, guys. Diba? Sarap niya. Ang laki niya. Ang laki na itong ano na to, guys. Ha? Lutuan ko ito, pero tingnan mo. Then, takpan natin siya. Ayan. It's about maybe 3 minutes or 2 minutes para sa talong. Ayan. Tingnan na natin siya, guys. About after 3 minutes. So, as you can see, diba, yung eggplant na ano na siya, diba? Ibig sabihin, lumambot na. Ako, guys, nilalagyan ko siya ng dapat suka. Mas gusto ko, may lemon ako. So, I put, in a bit of, little bit squeeze of lemon. Para at least may asim siya na onte. Ayan. Kung meron kayong vinegar, guys, di naman, it's not necessary na lemon ang gagamitin nyo. So, vinegar lang. So, what we're gonna do now, so we have to put the pechay. See the pechay? Very green. So, maglalagay tayo ng pechay. Ayan, guys. So, as you can see the pechay, so, iyaan na natin. So, then we have to cover again. So that yung pechay we're gonna cook. It's about 1 to 2 minutes lang to, guys, kasi gulay na lang naman. And then, ready to serve. And guys, balikan na natin after 2 minutes. Wow! And then, luto na, guys. So, no need to taste na kasi alam naman natin, depende lang sa inyo kung paano kayo maglagay ng salt, ganun lang. So, ready to serve. O, yan, guys. Diba? Makulot. Okay. Let's try to eat, to taste. Salamat. Ito na siya, guys. Tignan natin ito. So, ang laki niya, guys. Plato to, oh. Halos yung laki ng plato. Wow. Sarap niya, guys. Hindi ko pa siya natitikman, pero parang sarap-sarap niya. Ayan. Tikman na natin. Simple gatang shrimp.
2,000 years later.
Guys, tikman natin siya. Simple. Tikman ko yung sabaw niya, guys. Sarap niya. Kahit yung sabaw na lang muna. Yeah, kasi wala akong kanin. Kaya hindi ko siya matikman ng muna. Tikman natin yung talong. Sarap. Sarap niya, guys. So, simple. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Titikman ko na lang. Kakain ako ng kanin. Hintay ko lang yung kanin, guys. Ayun, nagsasain ako. Ayan. Thank you for watching. I hope you just like my, simple cooking recipe. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone po. Don't forget to likes or subscribe if nagustuhan niyo po yung aking video. Thank you. See you on my next vlog. God bless us all.